Hello everybody, SAF Info here. Hope you are well. If you are facing this kinds of problem in your Facebook account, that means your account has been locked, then today's video will help you. So first of all, go to any browser, whatever you have, and then just type my account has been disabled. So as you can see in the first portion, you can see a link, my account has been disabled, so click on that. After that you can see a green line in the green text where type fix problems with login in, so click on that. After that you will see facebook.com/login/identity, so click on that. After that Facebook will show you this kind of problems. Just enter your phone number or email address, so I put my own, and then click to the search bar, and then your account will be showing there. Just send a code to your phone number or email address, and then you will able to log into your Facebook account. So that's the process how you can unlock your Facebook account. So thanks for watching. I hope this helps you. If this helps you, then don't forget to subscribe our channel for more informative videos. See you in the next one. Bye.